Hello kids! Today, Fizzeasyart came up with 5 short funny stories with different animals. First, Ellie the Elephant. Ellie the Elephant wore roller skates to the jungle party. She zoomed around, trumpeting, "Wee!" until she tripped and slid into a mud pit. The other animals laughed and laughed. Second, Max the monkey. Max the monkey made a cape out of banana leaves and tried to fly. He flapped and flapped, but instead of soaring, he landed in a fruit salad. The other animals laughed and said, "Max, you're appealing." Max grinned and said, "Hey, at least I'm a natural." Third, Sammy the Snake. Sammy the Snake tried to squeeze into skinny jeans. He wriggled and wriggled, but got stuck in a knot. His friends laughed and said, "Sammy, you are hysterical." Sammy chuckled and said, "Well, at least I am fashionable." Ha ha! Fourth, Lola the Lion. Lola the Lion tried to roar loudly, but the sound that came out was a tiny meow. The other animals giggled and called her Lola the kitten. Lola pouted, but then laughed and said, "Hey, being cute is my superpower." Fifth, Benny the bear. Benny the bear tried to ride a unicycle on a tight rope. He wobbled and wobbled, but ended up in a honey pot. The other animals laughed and said, "Benny, you are a honey of a bear." Benny smiled and said, "Well, at least I am sweet." Did you like these funny stories? Which is your favorite animal? Like and subscribe.